dirty, I have to give you shower next time. Careful. Yeah, let's go inside. Good. What are you looking at? You just put it your leg, right? Quick, it's in the last. And so I just earlier changed the water, so the rest of the water fell down onto the ground, and they are mashallah growing very fast. Yes, quick. Yes. They're busy? What are you looking? He's grown enough. You can see that in one of my previous video I had attached. It's a wonderful time that having like such kind of birds and your pets. Yes. You to come out? Come.
It's going out.
Yes. It's okay, it's okay. The other one. Yes, he will be back. He will be back. Yes, quick. Quick. Where are you going? Come here back. Yes, they are also, all of them is quite grown enough. Since we have put them here, they are mashallah growing very fast. Because they have individual their own food before they was all together. So that's the reason. And they have very good this area. Yeah. Yes, my baby, good. You're good. You're good, right? You're good. Where you have been? Huh? You miss me too much? You are little bit dirty. I have to give you shower next time. Be careful. Yeah, let's go inside. Good. We will see you next time. Okay? Don't be sad. Okay. Very good boy. Very good boy. Yes, very good. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Yes.
Going outside,
Yes.
eating.
Yes, eating. Abza, just hold this one. So I will just close this one. Alright, so here we go. 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 So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share as well. So please stay blessed and healthy. So this is our ZIF Zamora Iqbal Farm. So Assalamu alaikum.